I see the court letter? Sorry?
No. Data protection, you're not the person we're looking for, so no, unfortunately you can't.
Okay.
Recording. Not giving you permission.
That's fine.
You carry on.
That's fine.
Okay.
Oh dear, that's lovely. Mate? Yeah, sure. Of course you can. Of course you can.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm sorry for the recording because obviously it's my own purposes. These people have come and there's my sister-in-law in there with young children in the house, and they're like harassment. Asked for a true bill for what they owe.
Yeah.
They haven't got a true bill on them, and obviously for them to execute a warrant, I mean like yourselves, for them to come into the property which they have no authority over. And I've called the police to come on because we feel that our children are at risk, and if, their presence here is not helping us very much. Obviously,
they told you?
Well, sorry, they're just become thugs. That lady there, my brother-in-law was here earlier. She snatched the phone off him because he was filming, and her, the other one. I mean, I've got it on video. Everything's on video, and she was being very abusive and like making a joke of everything we're saying.
In relation to what they're here for?
They're here for council tax apparently, from the social from council tax. But the guy he's been signing on his life. That's between them lot. But as for them to enter the house, I mean, what law or what right have they got?
Have they told you anything about a warrant or anything like that?
Well, warrants, as far as I believe, they're going to be signed by magistrates' courts, and they're going to be issued by the magistrates.
Sorts of warrants,
Yeah.
What I'm getting at is, what did they say to
Yeah,
they came to
I've asked them for a true bill myself. I said, can you show me a true bill of what these people owe to you, which they can't show? I asked them, well, are you working under the law oath where you took as a police officer? Right. Because obviously we're here as human rights.
I thought I was going to do well standing underneath there. It's dripping right on my... So basically, what have they told you they've come for?
It's council tax.
Council tax.
Yeah,
So
but the guy's been the guy's been signing on all his life. The guy who lives here, the woman who's been living here, she ain't worked all her life. She's been council tax. If they made a mistake somewhere, they've got things going on with the council. But yeah, these people here just like force people.
What's your name, sir?
My name is Javid. Family.
And it's your house, is it?
No, it's not my house. My brother-in-law's house.
Your brother-in-law's house?
Yeah. So what authority have they got to come and threatening behaviour the way they are?
Javid?
Edie.
Edie. And your surname, Jamie?
Do I have to give that? Am I obliged to give that?
I'm asking you for it. It's only so I can do a quick PNC check on you.
On me?
And the address, yeah.
Yeah. Is there any reason why you should do a PNC check? Because
Yeah,
I don't.
only 'cause
I shouldn't be able to give you my details, really, to be honest, officer. Because I haven't committed no offence, no criminal damage.
No, but if I go to them and they say, oh, the guy that we've come to collect off is Javid.
I've got it in video. Well, if they say my name, that's fine. I'll deal with them. It's not me, unfortunately.
Yeah, but I'm here now, aren't I?
Yeah, I know, but you're here to protect us as a public. Yeah.
Well, I'm sitting in the middle, aren't I?
Yeah.
We're both sides of the story.
Yeah, but they can't afford them. These are thugs, as you know, we know. That's what they're going. They are.
Collection agents.
They're not. They're
here with a valid purpose, aren't they? They wouldn't just
They're
turn
not.
up.
That's the thing. Their charges are so extortionate. A lot more charges than what you mean you get paid at. And these are people are robbing people.
I know where you're coming from there.
Yeah, if you go on YouTube, there's people.
With a purpose, aren't they?
Yeah, they're here for a purpose. Well, the purpose is
To rob the public.
Yeah, rob the public. Okay, fine. At the end of the day, for them to cause any criminal damage or cause anybody grief or harm, injury, it could happen. I mean, they are at risk, and we feel that we are at risk.
They've got a warrant.
A warrant from magistrates.
Sort of warrant to get in and collect.
The right sort of warrant. Yeah. If they entered,
if they've got that, we can't stop them.
There's a difference between liability order and warrant. Isn't
warrant, yeah. Liability order is not a warrant.
Liability is not a warrant.
You haven't told me what they've got yet.
I'm just saying. A warrant is for you to break in. A liability order does not allow you to break in. Yeah, and as for
What did they tell you they got?
they haven't told me. I asked them for legal documentation. They won't show me. They said, "Well, you're not here to." I mean, I'm sure a warrant. Only police have the right to get a warrant. To people.
Spell L-O-W.
LOE.
Just L-O-E,
Yeah.
L-E-W-S.
Yeah.
I mean, we believe. I mean, as far as I mean, if the police doesn't help us, I mean, I'll be a true believer. What we've been hearing all my life, I never used to believe in this. I mean, police and these are, they are with you lot, and they're corrupt. I mean, they put a clamp on a car. They want what £300 for a clamp. Come on, isn't that a rip-off? This social, we're living in what 2012. Social human rights.
There was £60.
What's the story with the clamp?
Social human rights. Human rights is in.
As I pulled up, we just got told something about a clamp. What's the
Yeah,
story
they
with
clamped the car. The guy who owned the car, he took the clamp off to the car. He asked them to remove the clamp. They won't remove it. Car does not belong to the guy who they're coming for. The car belongs to somebody else. They've clamped the car. They've clamped the car.
Is that all part of what they're here for as well?
Well, no, the car does not belong to them. The guy who they come for.
If they've clamped a car, then that goes over into their territory. They clamp the car, you have to pay for that clamp.
Why?
to come
Yeah.
off.
Well, they
It's
clamped the wrong
criminal
car.
damage if you take them.
Well, these took it off. Whatever he's done, he took it off. He's gone.
Yeah, it's criminal damage
gone.
if the person who they're trying to get the money off is